Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Beauty with DiDi. Alright, you guys, so today is headshot day. I need to do my makeup and I need to do my hair. So come on, let's get into it. Alright, so I know I told you guys last time that I had to do my headshots last time, but actually I needed to get my makeup together for an important meeting that I had to go to. But today we are going to keep things very, very simple. I do want to go back and do like a natural look, right? And this time I'm not going to darken my eyebrows so much. It's just going to be a tad little bit this time. Just a tad. And I want to do my lashes. That's going to take me a while. I just hope. I don't know. Should I do my lashes? I don't have time to do my lashes neither because the sun is about to go down. And I want to be out of here ASAP. And I still got to get dressed. And it's just a whole thing. I'm trying to think. I do want to go natural. But we'll see where it takes me. So, BRB. Alright, y'all. So, you guys, let me pull this back some. You guys, that African black soap gave my hair so much volume. Wait till you see it. Alright, so I was looking at some contouring videos. I was looking at some on YouTube and I saw some on TikTok. So basically you're supposed to put the darker concealer on the outside and then you highlight like your eyes, your eyebrows, and maybe some cheekbones. So let's see how this comes out. Okay, but first what we have to do is put some primer. Y'all, I don't know how to use this stuff, so bear with me. Okay, so primer. My hands are a little sticky. Okay. And I didn't know you're supposed to put foundation first. So foundation has to go first. Then the contour. So you're supposed to do foundation. So next is foundation. I did not know that. That's okay though. We live and we learn, right? I saw some makeup artists not even use foundation, but let me just do things the right way and then I can do things my way later. You know? So let's see. Make sure I get it in my hair because I do not want it to be looking crazy. It says to go outwards. I guess I was doing it right on the hairline side. I definitely wanted to get it under the eye area. Uh-oh. She didn't see me. Is that good? Is that good?
Said no.
Alright, you're gonna have to give me a second, okay? I'm making a video.
What?
You're gonna have to give me a second. I'm making a video.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. So now we have to contour, I guess. Ooh, y'all. They say you gotta dot the forehead. Then you gotta... But this is kind of like... It's kind of tan. And then I saw somebody do this with their nose. I was like, oh, okay, that's different. That's different. Right? Now we gotta do... Was I supposed to do my eyes first? I don't know, I'm just trying to hurry up. And then the eyebrow area. And then this area. And this area. And my nose. And how y'all think this gonna come out? Look at me. Look at me.
Where's the stool to the kitchen?
It's in between the refrigerator and the wall next to the pantry. Right? I don't know how this gonna come out, y'all. We gonna see. Alright, so before we go ahead and blend that, I want to go ahead and do my eyebrows. And then we're gonna have to blend that in. Damn it, man. Okay. What that look like? Okay. Alright. Alright, let's blend. Let's blend, let's blend, let's blend. Am I supposed to blend outward or inward? Scratch my eye out. BRB. Alright, y'all. So this is what we are looking like right now. Yeah, see? I look orange in the darkness. And then I look okay in the light. All right, let's do my eyes. So this time I'm not gonna do an eyeliner on the eyelid, but I'm gonna do my inner eyelid. Oh, why does that to my eyes? Okay. All right, so I understand why you do your eye before you do the foundation and stuff, because, well, before you do the concealer, because what if I don't like my eye, you know? Like, what if I don't like it? So what I want to do is I want to do a little pink and a little brown on the edge to give it a natural look. I don't know what brush I'm supposed to be using, but we're gonna figure it out. I guess we're gonna use this one. So what I want to do is I want to do a little bit of, let's do the corner. Let's do my corner first. Ooh, that is so contrast. Oh, I gotta put this down. This is, hey girl, you gotta blend. I see why you gotta do your eyes first, because you're gonna get makeup all over your face. It's just splashing everywhere. The contrast on this is so good. Look at that. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna add a little bit of pink, just a little bit, because this right here is freaking bright. A little goes a long way. Look at that. A little goes a long way. That don't look so bad. Look at that. And then I want to put a little bit sparkly. Okay. I think that's it, right? And then I want to, now we're going to do my lips. Let me see. My bonnet is falling off. My hair is ready to come out. She's like, girl, I want to be seen, girl. Alright, let's do my lips. Alright, so now it is time to do my lips. Hold on, I'm trying to keep my makeup stuff organized. It's garbage, garbage, garbage. Alright, what's next? Lip liner. We're just gonna do the same lip as I did last time. Liner's on. I'm about to use my mascara, lip gloss, well, the lip lacquer. What was I gonna say? I need a really good nourishing lip gloss, because, like, you know, those I guess the lip gloss that I used to wear, they kind of like dry out my lips. Another one. All right, BRB with the set. All right, so y'all ready? I don't know why I feel like I gotta shake this. Ready? All right, let's go. No, don't ask me why. Don't ask me why. Where's my fan? Oh, I was gonna say, baby, like, what's wrong with you? All right, BRB with hair. You guys, I freaking forgot my mascara. Hold on, let me see. Okay, now, is that the light? That's the light. All right, now let's do hair. Yeah, look at my hair. Ooh. All right, so we're gonna do a part down the middle. All right, it was a mission. Got my part. Now what I want to do is separate the hair right here. It's basically like the same style that I did with my what is it called? My braid out. Make sure I spray away from my face because I don't want to mess up my makeup. So boom. Right? I got a little bit of, what's that? I think that's castor oil. I thought that was flaxseed. I gotta make some more flaxseed gel. Alright, so we're gonna take these two pieces, bring it over to this side, tie it down. Sort of kind of the same. The only difference is that there is a part in the middle. God, my hair is a mess. Alright, showtime. And it'll be easy for me to put my clothes on. So let me go put on my clothes. We're gonna be right back with the look. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. Your girl is so done. Thank you very much. About to go take some pictures. You guys stay tuned for the community post. I'm gonna post the pictures in there. And your girl is done. Like, I'm done. I know my hair is a mess, but I gotta get these pictures done and out.
Make sure to say in the comments that she's beautiful.
Thank you. You heard my baby? She said, make sure y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about this look. Because, baby, I look good. I looks good, good, good. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed making it. And until next time, it's Beauty with DiDi. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.